Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner and welcome to my channel. I am so pleased that you have joined me today. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please be certain to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you will get a notification every time I publish a video, and my videos are all about women's fashion, women's clothing, and shopping for our clothing. So if you like that type of video, you are in the right place. Today I will be unbagging a Nadine West, and Nadine West is a subscription. It's a style subscription service, and it's very affordable style. You go to the website and you fill out a very short style profile, and then they send you this pink bag full of clothing and accessories, and it can be a lot of fun. I am going to link my Nadine West videos at the end of this video so you can see all of the wonderful things that I have got. My last Nadine West bag was a complete bust. I was really disappointed. But you know what? Every bag can be a Picasso. I'm well aware of it. And I'm kind of in the mood for some affordable clothing. I've had some very expensive clothing purchases here lately, and this is going to offer a little relief, I believe. So if you are interested in trying Nadine West, I will leave the information below. I do not use a referral code with Nadine West, but you can get your shipping waived, which is $9.78 if you use the code that I give below, if you would like to do that. So it comes in this little pink envelope, and you have to use care when opening this bag, because you're going to return anything that you don't want in this same bag. So I have the bag opened, and let's see what we got. Saving my bag, and we have paperwork. Let me look real quick. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 items here, and the most expensive item is $28.49, and the cheapest item is $12.99, and I have the label to put on that bag and send everything back. So it all comes wrapped in plastic like this. And this is just one big bundle this time. They've been sending me 2 bundles. We have the sticker there. So let's get into it. I see something in mustard, so this always makes me happy. I like this one. This is in mustard. This is by Rags to Riches. And the mustard color, we have all of that lacing detail. Okay, can you guys see the loose strings on that lacing detail? Because I pay attention to that, because that's what I do. I buy clothing, I review clothing, but I buy a lot of clothing. So I want my clothing to look nice. Now, I really like this t-shirt. It's just a sleeveless tee in a color that I truly enjoy, and it's got a rounded bottom. I mean, there's just everything I like about this. I just don't know about that detail right there. Okay, we've got 3 bags of jewels. I'll do that last. Something in burgundy. And this looks almost the same. We have that lace detail at front, but we have sleeves on this one, but the same type rounded hemline. And this is by Bozzolo. This one is a Bozzolo. This is really a vibrant, beautiful color. Nice color headed into fall. Now we have some olive. This one looks like a dress. This is by Zanana Premium in this nice olive color, and it's a big swing dress. Ooh, looks like we have a pocket. Oh, you know how we ladies like our pockets, so that is very nice. So this is just a t-shirt dress with a lot of room there. I don't know, is it a dress or a tunic? It's a really short dress if it's a dress, so I will probably try this on with a pair of skinnies for you. And then the last thing we have, what is this? Another Zanana Premium. And this is just a t-shirt dress. I have a dress in this color. I have a Caslon dress that is very, very similar to this, but this one has pockets, and it is just this actually feels like a really nice, just a little t-shirt dress, a sleeveless t-shirt dress with pockets. And it's the fit and flare style, which normally works pretty well for me, so I like that option. Let's look at the jewelry. First little bit of jewelry, that's just a little, that is just a little tennis bracelet with, I'm sure it's faux crystals in it, but That's kind of lovely. Guys, I'm having a hard time getting these out of the pouch. Next up are these little earrings, and these are just like threaders. They thread through the ear. They're just a little piece of wire. If I was to show these to my husband, he would tell me he could bend some wire for me. I'm sure that's what he would say. They do have a slight little just nub of silver right there. I'm not sure how I feel about these. And the reason being is I've had these really thin wire earrings before, and I often just bend them out of shape almost immediately. So these are pretty delicate. I'm not real careful with my jewelry. And the last item that we got is a necklace, and this is beautiful. Look at that. Now this is a long one. I don't know if I can do it justice, but isn't that pretty? Oh, I like this one. I like this one a lot, and I wonder if I can pull it up. Isn't it pretty if I double it? I'm gonna try that in the try-on. So you have seen all the prices and all of the clothing on me, and my impressions of this entire bag are that it's pretty good. There was actually, I kind of like everything in the bag, or it all kind of worked. One thing you didn't see me try is these earrings, and I'm not trying them. I've even had a difficult time getting them out of the little pink bag, and I do not want to damage these earrings at all. I know I'm not going to keep them, so that's why you didn't see me model these. The earrings are called the Diva in Silver, and they're $12.99. So that's a decent price for earrings if you like wire earrings. I have a really tough time with wire earrings. Okay, so let's talk about the jewelry first. The bracelet is actually the cheapest thing in this bag, coming in at $12.19, and I think it's lovely. It actually fit. A lot of times bracelets are just too big for me, and this bracelet fit, but I have no need for it. I have dozens of bracelets that are beautiful and fun that I never reach for. I'm just not real big into bracelets, so I am going to pass on the bracelet. Now, the necklace. I really like this necklace. What did you guys think of it? I like that I can twist it and wear it as a layered necklace like that. I really like that. In the try-on, you saw me wearing it both ways, and I like this necklace. This is called the Bountiful Basket, and it is $25.99. So I see Nadine has gone up on her prices. Used to be $24.99 for all necklaces, so this is $1 more, but I like this necklace. I think I might be keeping this one. Let me know what you think about this necklace. I just think it's a piece that I will actually wear. I think the wine colored top might be my favorite top. This is called the Crystal, and this is $23.49. I just like the way that this blouse fit and the movement on this blouse. I feel like it was a really good fit. It's a very vibrant color. This would make a nice addition to my closet. Now, the yellow top is called All the Stars. It is $24.49, and although I liked it, let me tell you something. I was at Nordstrom's trying on something in this color, and the sales clerk told me, no, that color looks terrible on you. And you, my viewers, know I have been purchasing a lot of the mustard colored clothing lately, and I just can't get it out of my head. I also am a little bit concerned. I don't think the straps are done as well as I would like them to be done, and for basically $25, $24.49, I'm gonna pass on the mustard colored blouse. I know you guys can't believe that, right? But I'm gonna do it. Next up we have this top, the olive green tunic. This is called the Eliza. This is $24.49, and I kind of like this. Now, it's that tunic length that I'm not real crazy about, but I have some camo colored leggings coming my direction. They should be here by the end of the week, and I just see myself pairing them with this tunic. I like that this tunic has pockets, and I think the pocket placement is perfect. It's just a real easy to wear tunic. So not much more to it, just a long swingy t-shirt, $24.99. I think that's a good price for that one. Now this dress, I like this dress. I have a dress that is very, very similar. The pocket placement on this dress was a little awkward. I felt like it was a little high, but this dress is called the Demi, and this is $28.49. I will be passing on this dress only because I have something that is remarkably similar. So I just don't need this dress, but I am leaning towards keeping the green tunic and the wine-colored t-shirt and, of course, the necklace. So leave me your thoughts below. Let me know what you thought about this bag, and let me know if you are a Nadine West customer. I'm curious to know how your shipments have been going. My shipment came in on day 11. You have 10 days with Nadine West to try everything on and send it back, postage free. And Nadine actually sent me an email saying, we realize that your shipment is running late and we'll give you a few extra days, but I didn't even receive it until 11 days after it was sent. So I am just hoping that that label works for the things that I want to return. I'm sure it will. They did acknowledge before I even realized how late the shipment was. So let me know if you try Nadine West and how you like it, and if there's anything in this bag that you would keep for yourself if the bag had come to you. I look forward to your comments. And I thank you so much for spending your time with me. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will have another video coming out for you in just 2 days, so be on the lookout for that. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you very, very soon in the next video. Blessings to all of you.